Hi everyone, it's me again, Daniel Uy, and let's discuss the definition of the obligation. Obligation is under the Civil Code of the Philippines, and nandito siya sa book na obligation and contracts. So pag business student ka, kilala mo si De Leon. Okay? Kasi yan ang libro nyo ng college. At yan din yung libro namin ng college. So let's define the word definition in a simple uh, explanation. Okay? Under 1156 of obligation and contracts, obligation is juridical necessity to give, to do, or not to do. Yung juridical necessity na yan, kapag hindi mo ginawa yung mga the following, yung to do, to give, to do, or not to do, pwede kang magkaroon ng severe consequences na kung saan hindi mo magugustuhan ito dahil papatawan ka ng fine or civil liability or criminal liability if in case na masyadong matindi yung ating ginawang paggawa na pag hindi pag-fulfill sa obligation na yan. So, maraming pang explanation yan at pwede tayong umabot ng ilang oras to discuss it, pero yan muna yung simple definition natin. Okay?